This is a brand new 2025 Gore 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a side ramp. If you're not familiar with the Gore trailer, they are a galvanized steel chassis in their bumper pull with aluminum frame and aluminum skin. They have a fiberglass roof and a treated wooden floor with rubber mats. All of your inside parts are also going to be aluminum, so there are trailers that are similar that have a steel frame, and then all their parts inside are steel as well, like your dividers and your breast and butt bars. In the Gore, it's just the chassis that is steel. So just the base of your trailer is that galvanized steel. Everything else is going to be aluminum. Again, this is the 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a side ramp and dressing room. It is 7'6" tall, 79 inches wide, and 17 feet on the floor. We've got a 5-foot dressing room and a 12-foot horse area, 7 feet in the body, and then 5 feet of headroom so that we have plenty of room to exit on this nice wide side ramp. This particular Gore has 5,200 pound axles, so that's going to be a little larger than your standard bumper pull. Some of the models that we carry with a side ramp have those 5,200 pound axles. Some are going to be 3,500 pound axles. Just depends on the overall dimensions of the trailer and the empty weight. On this trailer, the 5,200 pound axles are the right answer there. It also has 16-inch steel wheels. So again, 2025 Gore 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a 5-foot dressing room and a side ramp. The dressing room comes standard, well appointed, with 2 saddle racks, tons of bridle hooks, windows between the horse area and the dressing room, a clothing bar, and a blanket bar, as well as windows in the nose. We've got LED lights in these Gore trailers, so we've got an LED light in the dressing room as well as the horse area, and our load lights are going to be LED as well. Rubber mat on the floor, nice big step here, diamond plated step. Would be a running board if we didn't have a side ramp, but in this case we're just going to call that a step. I love how wide those are. I love that Mr. Gore puts diamond plate everywhere on the trailer to keep it from getting scarred up, because we know that horses and horse people are a little bit rough on things. So we've got diamond plate on our fender wells here. That's going to keep us from banging those up, from the horses and the people banging them up. Your spare tire is mounted on the outside. Again, windows between the horse area and the dressing room. We've got 2 pop-up vents and that nice fiberglass roof. If you're not familiar with the fiberglass roof, that's going to be so much cooler than an aluminum roof on a hot day. That fiberglass doesn't absorb and radiate heat quite like the aluminum roofs do. It's much, much cooler. In the horse area, we also have insulated walls. So 1, we have that fiberglass roof, which is cooler. 2, we have the insulated walls in the horse area. Nice 5 feet of headroom for your horses here, so they have plenty of room to come out. These side ramp and rear ramp on this trailer are super light and easy to operate. A lot of people really love these bower latches. We call them, so the black style latches seem to be very popular amongst the people. Again, full-size spare that matches the rest of the tires on the trailer. On this model, we have added extruded aluminum, which is going to be that ribbed aluminum on the side. As you can see, the stripes are black, silver, and black. Nice rear ramp with top curtains with sliding windows. Load light here as well. Switch for your rear load light is going to be on the back of the trailer. All the rest of the switches for the Gore are inside of the dressing room. Padded breast and butt bars, padded divider, padded sidewall. Nice long sliding windows here. We've got a window over our side ramp in that top curtain, and a window in our full-size escape door that is street side in this trailer. Again, nice light ramps, also very low to the ground. Let's see that from the side. That ramp is not steep at all. That shadow makes it look a little steeper, but even with those big 16-inch wheels, this ramp is not steep at all, and it's super light to operate. One hand, one nice non-dominant hand easily opens that ramp or closes that ramp in that case. Again, this is a 2025 Gore, 7'6" tall, 79 inches wide, 17 feet on the floor. Full-length running board here, street side. Again, those running boards and steps are super wide. Nice for anybody to get their foot securely on there. Windows in the nose. Windows everywhere you can put windows in a Gore. Mr. Gore is not afraid to outfit these trailers with everything, and we are super proud to have them at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. If you want to see the specs and the photographs, you can check those out on our website at Trailer Country LLC. trailercountryllc.com. If you have any questions, give us a call. Trailer Country LLC, Carrollton, Virginia. trailercountryllc.com is our website. 2025 Gore 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a dressing room and a side ramp.